So there's a move I talked about all week in terms of the broader crypto market. Now, really wanted to hit it home because I wasn't fooled by this retracement. I wasn't fooled by this bear trap, this shakeout that we've been on, because we were going to stick to history. We've done it throughout the entire life cycle of crypto. And guess what? We held up again. BTC did not close its weekly candle below this 20-week moving average. In fact, we had a late day surge. We surged all the way up into the 63K range. Exciting stuff. And now we currently sit at 62.7, prepped for possibly a good week. Now, guess who's loving this move? ADA. ADA is in fact loving this move. And in fact, we have breached some pretty critical resistances here in terms of ADA. We've broken above our 20-day moving average. That's very exciting, short-term move. And right now, the biggest one that we've been fighting is this 39.50 range. All right. This has been a key point of resistance for a long time, guys. You guys can see all the way back here, even in the bear market, February into March. We know that obviously in the April as well. Even on our last run up here in November, before we had this huge extension, we were fighting these exact levels. And now we have, in fact, breached it. Now, what I will say is this. Can ADA make this move on its own? Can it extend just like it did back here? What people need to remember is that this move back here in the fall, basically going into early December, that move actually happened on its own. This was after the broader crypto market was done pumping. It made its move. It was over. And then ADA went on this pop by itself. Now, what I have to say is that right now, there's probably still a little bit different sentiment in the market than what we experienced back then. There's not quite as much excitement, but ADA is one of the few assets that has actually been looking very good over the past week. It's been kind of decorrelating a little bit from BTC. A lot of other assets still very high correlation. Some of them have gained ground versus BTC. BTC dominance has dropped as we've talked about. But this ADA BTC chart, we continue to see ADA kind of separating itself. It's starting basically its alt season path. Hopefully that makes sense. So yes, it can make this move. I wouldn't expect it to be quite as exaggerated. Big resistance we're going to fight next is this 43-cent range. This was our support here on our last consolidation. So just know that that's probably where we're going to hit our head on next. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. And what I would hope to see this week from BTC is something that we've seen historically as well. Every time during a bull market, when we have breached this and come back up and close our candle above our 20-week moving average, we've had a nice pop. All right, so you guys can see that historically speaking, right here, breach, pop. I believe there was ones up here. This was the China banning crypto, right? Here we go, breach, pop. And then obviously those are different parts of the market cycle, but you guys get the picture. Breach, pop, breach, pop. So this continues to hold true. Now, again, I talked about yesterday, the fact that we're in a holiday week. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but hopefully we get a nice little push from the market. We're close to some of those liquidation levels in terms of short positions. Very exciting stuff. Now, I will say, guys, I do still have my long leverage position open when it comes to ADA. Again, it's not a huge one, but right now I'm actually 2x my money. I was very confident that these levels were really the bottom in terms of ADA. We were heavily oversold, and really there's a major direction change, a major reversal that's taking place right now when it comes to ADA. Okay. Now, if you guys are curious or want to use Margix as well, I do have a link in the description below. You guys can actually get deposit bonuses, trading bonuses. So definitely check that out. I believe they still have their airdrop going on as well. So as always, guys, this is not financial advice. Everyone can do what they want, but I'm very excited about our direction here, and hopefully ADA can get through a nice little bit of recovery before the market realizes what's going on. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.